Dear viewers and valued customers, greetings. Thank you for supporting and choosing MAMBA technology. We take pride in offering precision-crafted, customized services, including 3D design, product inspection, and manufacturing. Trusted by professional racers worldwide, our products have powered countless victories across global competitions. Installation. The modification guide includes diagrams illustrating the relationship between engine operation and turbo performance, serving as a valuable reference before making upgrades. Before installing your MAMBA turbo, here are a few key preparation tips to ensure optimal performance. For example, 1. Replace the air filter. A clean air filter ensures smooth airflow and maximizes turbo efficiency. 2. Delay installation after an engine overhaul. Run the old turbo for 7 to 10 days to clear impurities before switching to the new turbo. 3. Avoid using gasket sealant on connections. Gasket sealant can clog the oil system, leading to turbo failure. Keep all connections clean and clear. 4. Address previous turbo issues. Fix any underlying problems to protect your new turbo and ensure lasting performance. This preparation guide provides important points for reference. However, always consult your local technician for inspection and guidance during actual installation. Turbo damage analysis. Before installing your turbocharger, pay attention to these key points to avoid common failures. 1. Ensure proper oil supply to prevent damage from oil starvation or blockage. 2. Check for and remove any foreign objects in the air intake system. 3. Prevent overheating by using quality oil and ensuring correct fuel calibration. 4. Replace oil and filters regularly to avoid dirty oil-related damage. 5. Inspect the air system for leaks or damage to ensure proper airflow. For any issues or failures, please consult a local technician for professional judgment. This guide is for reference only. Follow us on social media and visit our official website. We offer a wide range of turbo products and related services, along with customized solutions. Feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for your support and trust in MAMBA technology. We appreciate you watching.